to KRankin's Kitchen and Cooking with KRankin. Today I'm going to do a quick video, and usually my videos we showcase a Pampered Chef tool or a recipe. Today's recipe is going to be Red Lobster garlic biscuits. So if any of you have ever been to Red Lobster, one of the things that they like to put on the table while you're waiting for your meal is those buttery garlic biscuits. So they're really good. And this recipe uses Bisquik and some milk and cheese, and then we bake the biscuits on, and we're going to bake them on my large rectangular stoneware pan. And this is a Pampered Chef Stoneware pan, and this is very popular, our stoneware. It is it draws the moisture out of the what's baking on it, so when you bake biscuits, things like biscuits, the biscuits will crisp up very nice, and the bottoms will be golden brown. The color of this indicates that this is very well seasoned. I've had this for probably 15 years. When you buy stoneware new, it is a light color, kind of a beige, light beige. But as you use it, you will season it, and it will just get better and better with age. If there are anybody watching this who has some really old stoneware that they want to post below, that would be great to show how well loved the Pampered Chef stoneware is. So I have 2 cups of Bisquik here in the Pampered Chef small batter bowl, and I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of milk, and it calls for 3/4 of a cup of cheese, but I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, and we're going to mix that together. And after we bake this is going to go into a 450 degree oven and bake for, it's going to bake for about 10 minutes. When they come out, we are going to brush them with a mixture of melted butter. I'm going to melt that, and garlic powder. So cheesy, garlicky, buttery, flavorful biscuits we will have for dinner. So you just drop this however big you want your biscuits onto the pan. We'll put those in the oven, and we'll be back when they are done. Hi, we're back. I have taken the biscuits out of the oven, and they are beautiful golden brown, and like I said, the stoneware pan allows them to be so evenly cooked on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that, but it's gorgeous. So now what we're going to do to give them the garlic buttery taste is, or to enhance the buttery taste of the biscuits, we've melted about a 1/2 cup of butter here. It depends really on how much butter you want to use. The recipe actually calls for half a cup of butter, but I'm using only about a half a cup or a quarter of a cup right now. So I'm just gonna stir that together and use the Pampered Chef basting brush and just brush the butter, garlic over these warm biscuits. And I'm sure we could probably coax somebody to come taste these. Victoria? Vicky, would you like to come taste? That's good. Yummy, buttery, garlic, Red Lobster, cheesy garlic biscuits. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Let me know if you would like me to do a video of anything specific. And please reach out to me if you have any questions or you'd like to join the business or host a party. Thanks.